That could throw somebody's edge sensor off.
Seeking and destroying. Got two. Got one. Found that one. All right. I think we can definitively say that pink is bad.
Go by.
All right.
1368.
Awesome. 13.68. Very good.
I was just making note that he was right up next to the line.
Yeah.
If he was calibrating, I could throw him off.
Cross the line, and there we go. Oh, missed that one. There we go.
So he's using sonar.
Looks like it.
Yep. Uh-oh. Hopefully not caught in the corner. This is Patchwork.
Okay.
Did pretty well in line following. Patchwork is now wider than last year.
And it's got those front wings, kind of like a Cylon fighter.
Right, searching. Finding. Oh, look at that! 3 at once. 24-41, nicely done.
I forgot all about that. There we go.
1655.
What was the time again? What was the time again?
1655.
Searching for targets instead of pushing targets. Hopefully it won't see Will and think he's a target.
There you go.
52?
45.
What, 45 seconds?
45.
Oh, okay.
All right, when it crosses the line, we start the clock. Very good, very good.
How much? 1283.
12.83. Found that one. Found that one. Very good. One more to find. It is actually quite difficult to come up with a sensor that will pick up at a range that works. That kept it on the table. All right, very good.
3709. Did you make it blue?
It could be, we have some that are blue, actually. Just, they're working good.
Found and pushing. Oh!
Yeah, I see that. You're good at, use one of those. Well, take the scenic tour here.
Yep.
Took the really scenic tour.
All right. So we got a max time of 90 seconds and a penalty of 1 for 100. All right. Okay.
The only thing is it doesn't have the ability to record, but it's very close to real time on the image. I wish it could record. Oh, sweet. Oh! Man, I wish I could have got your face on that one, but I was pointing at the robot.
I did all my testing on a larger table.
Do a little dance. Oh! There you go. Good boy.
Oh, it's splitting lid yet.
Very good.
What is this one's name?
Poly X15.
Oh!
It might affect their edge sensing. Sweet. It's prioritizing not. Looks like it's prioritizing not falling off, and since it's in the corner, it's tough to get.
Yeah.
They have to write special logic for corner plates.
If the outriggers were a little shorter, it might not be as much of a problem.
It would be possible for this robot to detect both sides and not be able to push the pipe off.
Take those edges.
Yeah, detect.
Were there?
Mine can do it.
There you go.
Uh, Oh, we've got it 5 seconds. So 85 seconds, no penalties. I'll changed all of our thinking about how this should be done.
How's that?
Kind of like you and one.
Right. Well, changed the way you're doing it, right?
It did change Dale. Dale put another sensor on his robot.
I know.
Just for the
Actually, no, the code hasn't changed yet.
Dale changed it.
And squeaky. Nice. 23.72. 23.72. Good. Really?
Timing right?
Sure.
Nice. Nicely done, Ted. All right, good job. 16.47. 16.47.
A little more story.
Excellent. 10.37. 10.37. Awesome. Oh.
So how do you avoid splitting with your IR?
It just naturally works. I don't know why.
Because of the histogram. If you just do a straight histogram, you can wind up.
Oh, split them.
That's where it saw both at the same time. Differential doesn't work very good.
Oh.
Two identical inputs.
Kind of the difference between a one-finger touchpad and a two-finger touchpad.
Yeah.
And that may have timed out. Was that,